Hi, I'm John Ozzie, Head of Training and Development at AudaCity Capital. And today I'll be talking about why now's the best time to get into trading. Trading, what is Forex trading? Forex trading is basically buying and selling currencies, pairing them against each other. One currency will be stronger at one given time and the other currency will be weaker at that given time. So buying and selling currencies is basically looking at the strengths of the countries, the nation of the pair of the currencies. For example, if you're looking at Europe, Europe has the euro pair, and you're comparing Europe, the economy of Europe, to the US economy, which is the US dollar. So if the US dollar is strong, that means the euro will be weaker. So it's more expensive for people in Europe to purchase US dollars, and it's cheaper for people in the US to purchase euros. So the differential between both pairs is known as pips, and this is how traders make money. And the differential between the euro economy and the US economy multiplied by the lot size you trade with. What do you need to trade the Forex markets? Just basic knowledge. Knowledge is free on YouTube and social media and a lot of digital platforms out there. You need an internet connection, which you can get free Wi-Fi signals everywhere now. You need a laptop or smart mobile phone, and more importantly, you need education and a mentor, someone who's been there, done that, and someone to show you through the rough patches of trading the Forex market, and someone to show you the good sides as well as the bad sides. There's a lot of information out there, but a lot of people get confused and information overload. So it's like learning how to drive a car. Most people know the basic mechanics of moving a car, and some people can actually drive a car without having an official license to drive the car. But not everybody can pass a driving test. This is where you need training. And like in any job and in any industry, you need training to be successful and very good at what you do. So coming back to Forex now, you can have all the information out there, but you're going to need a mentor, someone to help you and show his or her experience in terms of what is good and what is bad, and how to make money consistently on the financial markets. Now we're in the moment of the pandemic, just coming out of it. We've had 2 lockdowns. A lot of people have been stuck at home. A lot of people have lost their jobs. A lot of people have been furloughed. A lot of people have free time, and foreign exchange has been one of the, I think, top analytics on Google and cryptocurrencies, and where people are exploring how to trade and how to make an income from it. So this is the best time because it's cheap. You don't need a lot of money. From $0 to £200 or $200, you can get involved in this market. Trade very mini micro lots. Think of it as a game. Once you enjoy the process, you're definitely going to get the success. Then it comes with discipline, routine, and practice. You can only get better by practicing. It takes about 10,000 hours to master a skill. How can you break 10,000 hours down in a month, a year, 6 months? Give yourself a plan. You're not going to make money trading the market overnight, but over a long period of time, you're going to be more disciplined, more consistent, and you're going to enjoy what you're doing trading the markets.